Hello guys, welcome to pcdrills where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we'll be taking a look at how we can set up email services on our Windows 10 PC. As you know, when you install a new version of Windows 10 on your PC, much of your applications are not yet set up. So today we are going to take a look at how we can configure the email application so that we can receive emails. Please stay tuned and follow up through the video as I explain the process. Thank you. So first, you need an email application and you need an active internet connection. Given here that I already have Wi-Fi and then my application here is called Mail. You can open it from here, but if you don't have it on this taskbar, you can still come to this and you search for Mail. Just depends on which method you like to use. Once you have done that, you can open up one of these. So depending if you use Outlook or you wish to use Office, Google, Yahoo, iCloud, it just depends on you. So anyone you decide to use for your mail services will be what you should choose at this level. Now you can see here there's already my email logged in here because while installing the machine I used this email where necessary, so I've already signed in with my email. But for you, if you have not signed in, it will show like these other options here with no email, and when you click on it you'll be asked to input the email password and everything. But here it already shows my email, so to continue I can simply click on the particular account that I wish to use and then I'll simply have to sign in. It already has the email field. And since this deals with the internet, it always needs some time to load some stuff and then before moving to the next steps. And here they are asking you to get the app on phone. It's basically going to give you maybe a link or open up a site to show you how you can install it on phone, but that's not what we are doing, so just click on done. And right now here's the mail application. So now you can add accounts and set up various emails. Well, here let's add an account. Adding an account here basically means adding an email account to this computer. So here I can choose, let's use a Google since I'm using Gmail. Let's add a Gmail account service to it. Here I have to input my own email. Sorry guys, it's displaying in French. Maybe it's because it's checking my time zone. Yeah, you can also change the language from French and then use English depending on which language you understand best. Let's put English. You can see here sign in, continue to Windows. You can see here email or phone. I'm going to use my own email. After putting in your email, you click on next, and then they will send you a code on your phone for you to log in with, and that depends only if you have enabled the sign in with phone option on your own account. So I simply have to open up on phone and I look for the number 63 and that's it. When I find the 63, I will simply have to click on it and accept for it to log into my account. This is simply one way of logging in without having to use the password option. So just one of the methods that Google offers for authentication. But if you have not yet enabled it, so you don't have this option, but you simply have to put in your password in the box and then you click next. You also have to end up with this screen and you have to click allow and the rest. And when you're done, you simply have to move with this screen and then you can close it or add other emails if you wish, because here it doesn't close, meaning that you can see add other accounts if you still have them. And I'm through with the account I wish to add, so I can just click here to click on the close to close up the path, and I can also add other email accounts. And if I wish to add another email account for it to be used on this machine, I can also come to accounts and then I add account. Well guys, that's basically how you can set up your email account on your PC. So if it doesn't work for you or you have any other special questions, please leave them at the comment section and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and recommend to others, and see you next time on our next video. Thank you and bye.